Hello folks, an update on SoundHound today. The stock continues to show positive momentum and $6 appears to be the new support level, which is great for shareholders. As you may be aware, earnings were released 2 weeks ago and by any measure, it was a pretty bad result and the stock should have crashed back down to $4, but to everyone's surprise, it seems to be holding steady. So in this video, I'll give you guys a quick market update and how SoundHound AI fits into the picture, a technical analysis of today's price action, and my forecasts for the rest of the week. Now, a key piece of information tomorrow is the CPI report, so stay tuned for my comments on that because it could get very, very volatile. Before we begin, most of you are not subscribed yet, so please hit that like and subscribe button to get instant updates when I post SoundHound videos. And also, I'm not a financial advisor, so take all my content with a grain of salt and seek professional financial advice if you need to. Alright, so the Nasdaq ended down today, just slightly, but AI sector leader NVDA went down 2% on higher than average volume, which isn't great, but I mean, we're just talking about a 2-day correction here, folks. In my opinion, I think this decline is just due to profit takers taking some chips off the table before tomorrow's CPI report. As for SoundHound, it bucked the trend by rising almost 2% today. Yeah, the volume wasn't great, but it looked like the selling pressure is subsiding more and more by the day. Otherwise, we would be at $4 right now, but it seems to be holding this $6 level. So recently, I have been harping on about SoundHound staying within this ascending wedge, and that's what I foresee the stock doing for the rest of the week and even for another week or two. I want to see SoundHound take a breather before trying to rally again to the upside. Anyway, tomorrow's CPI report may add some volatility to SoundHound stock, so just expect some movement. Ideally, I actually want the CPI numbers to be hotter than expected. This will cause the market to retrace, shaking out weak holders and allow shares to be consolidated into the hands of the strong holders who will push the stock market higher going forward. For SoundHound, this may mean a reaction down to the low fives. If it gets down that low, I'm gonna buy more. I like the stock and I think it has tremendous upside, and if it gets down to the low fives again, I'm a buyer. Now, this is not a recommendation to buy, hold, or sell the stock. This is just my opinion. So even if the market crashes tomorrow and SoundHound gets dragged down with it, I reckon we will see a recovery. So I'm not concerned at all about what happens tomorrow. Essentially, what is happening with SoundHound stock right now is the paper hands are selling their shares to the hodlers and diamond hands who are still accumulating. This will eventually cause the stock price to break out again, and in my opinion, the next rally will be explosive. So that's it from me, folks. Be wary of the volatility tomorrow. Please like and subscribe to get daily SoundHound updates, and thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.